Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a cocktail bird cage. First, gather your essential materials. You will need about 3 feet of food-grade wire, like stainless steel or aluminum, along with a pair of small pliers and a sturdy base. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready for crafting. This ensures a safe and beautiful presentation for your drinks.
Now, let's craft our delicious homemade pesto. In a food processor, combine 2 cups of fresh basil leaves and 2 cloves of garlic. Next, we will cook our pen pasta to perfection. Bring a large pot of generously salted water to a rolling boil. Add 1 pound of pen pasta to the boiling water, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook the pen according to the package directions, which is usually for about 10 to 12 minutes, until it is al dente. Before draining, remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy cooking water. Finally, let's bring it all together. Transfer the hot, drained pen pasta to a large serving bowl. Add about 1/2 cup of your freshly made pesto to the warm pasta. Gently toss everything together, adding a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water if you need a smoother consistency. Garnish your beautiful pesto pen with extra grated parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves before serving it warm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.